Do we know how a split air conditioner works? So let us explain a little bit. Here we can see the basic piping installation of a split air conditioner between the indoor and outdoor units. As we know, the indoor unit contains the evaporator coil which absorbs heat from the room, facilitated by the refrigerant flowing through the system. And what is the function of the outdoor unit? The outdoor unit comprises the compressor and the condenser. What is the function of compressor? Compressor pressurizes the refrigerant, enabling it to release the absorbed heat through the condenser coil. The refrigerant then cycles it back, completing the cooling process. The system also includes essential components like a filter dryer to maintain refrigerant purity and capillary pipes for pressure regulation. Then how do we operate the AC? We use a remote control to operate the indoor unit, and this design completely ensures efficient cooling while separating the heat release mechanism outside. So there is no more heat inside the room. You feel a relaxing, comfortable, air conditioned temperature inside the room, and we can work more efficiently than the air conditioner had not been there. So this process actually gives us pleasure in our working. So let us see the process in detail and share it with your friends and relatives. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Thank you for watching this installation procedure.